Do you want to get high paying remote job? Here is how. Hey everyone, want to work from anywhere? Let me show you how to land a remote job within few simple steps. Stick around till the end for bonus tips. Step 1. Identify in-demand remote jobs. First, figure out why remote jobs are in demand. Roles like digital marketing, software development, customer support, and virtual assistant are hot in market. If you look carefully around yourself, you will find some extra demanding skills right now. For example, video editing is very expensive and demandable remote job skills right now. Let's move on the next one. Step 2. Build in right skills. Scale up yourself. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning offer courses to help you gain relevant skills. Also, you can utilize YouTube for gaining demandable skills. But beside that, if you love to learn machine learning, AI, and data science, then I recommend to use 365 Data Science. This platform all in one. You can learn data science and machine learning from market leading experts. Let's check out this link. I will give this link on this video description. Step 3. Optimize your resume and LinkedIn profile. Your resume and LinkedIn profile should highlight remote job experience, communication skills, and self motivation. Use keyword to get noticed by recruiters. If you are completely new in LinkedIn, then you can ask recommendation to your friends or expert who already have account on LinkedIn. That recommendation will help you to get jobs fast. Step 4. Apply on remote job platforms. Apply on remote job platforms. Websites like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, and Upwork are goldmine to get remote job opportunities. You can also find a remote job on LinkedIn and Indeed. If your profile is great and you were apply remote job consistently, you will get remote job from there. Step 5 is the virtual interview. Prepare for virtual interviews, dress professionally, maintain eye contact, and ensure distraction-free environment. My personal recommendation is try to use external microphone and headphone because audio is very important. You have to hear clearly and you have to speak clearly. It will make higher chance to get that job. Welcome to bonus part. I am really happy you are still with me. As a bonus, I will give a link on this video description. With this link, you will get a remote job instantly. You don't have to build any skills. You don't have to like spend any time to build skills. Just you will see a quiz button on that page and just fulfill few steps, then you will get remote job instantly. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim. I'll see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.